Shall we move to the next topic then?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now see, as we can separate the columns, we can also add the columns. See, what I will do now here, I want to just add both the columns in a single. So I will write Ajay, Devgan, and then press enter and then press Control E. See what will happen. Automatically the cell is populated with this thing. Okay, you can give any format. See, any format. Like if I'm going to do Ajay dash 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 Devgan and press Control E, see what will happen. If I'm going to give like Ajay in capital and Devgan in small, and then press Control E, see, it will just copy the same format. Okay, like if I'm going A dot Devgan and then press Control E, see, could you see this?
Yes.
So this is one of the most useful features which Excel has introduced from Office 2013 versions of Excel. समझ में आया?
Sir.